Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Chris Davis, and today we are doing a tech review, and this will be a review of the AirPod Pro. So I've been using these earbuds, these true wireless earbuds, since like the day after Christmas, and they're really good. What I really like about them is that when you put them on, um, the noise cancellation on these earbuds are amazing. It's like when I have the earbuds in, I'm not able to hear like anything else. Just when I put them in, the noise canceling is phenomenal on the AirPods. I also like the sound because that leads to better quality of sound. So when I'm at the gym or I'm putting my earbuds in to listen to YouTube, the sound quality is phenomenal on the AirPods. They are also compatible with any device. I was reluctant. This was given to me as a gift, by the way. I was reluctant to take it because I was afraid that the AirPods would only be compatible with Apple products because that's usually the thing. Apple products are only compatible with Apple products, and you need some kind of converter or something like that, but not with this. This thing, these earbuds, you guys, they can connect to an Android phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It can also connect to a Windows laptop. Yeah, a laptop that has a Windows 11 operating system and Windows 10 if you haven't upgraded. But I really recommend these headphones. Like I can't recommend them enough. And if you were hesitant on getting them, I recommend you do. So far, these are the best wireless earbuds I've had. Like the noise canceling is really good. It's better than my other true wireless headphones, the JBL ones. It's definitely better than my Raycon everyday headphones. Maybe the true wireless with the Raycon are better than those, but my regular Raycon everyday like headphones, this is better than that. So if you were on the fence about getting this, I definitely recommend it. The AirPod Pros 2 is out, so you might want to get that one. But this is the Pro 1, or this is just AirPod Pro. And like I said, I definitely recommend it. So that's all we have for today. If you liked what I had to share, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, share this video with all your friends, and all of you have a great day.